Do you want to have healthy toenails? Are you looking for antifungal food supplements to prevent infections? In this following short video, I'm going to overview one such product called the Kerovita Pro that claims to prevent toxic fungus buildup by keeping one's toenails healthy. First, a disclaimer. You will not get immediate results. This product works internally to remove the layer of fungus in the affected areas. Please keep patience. Also, do not take the supplement without consulting a doctor first. ReviewDunk is not liable if these supplements do not fetch you results. Moving on to the question that you may have. What is Kerovita Pro? Kerovita Pro is a food supplement that can be used for fungal treatments to obtain healthy hair and nails. It was developed by Benjamin Jones to increase awareness about the adverse effects of fungal infections. This product is purely organic and is made from plant extracts without the presence of any sort of herbicides. You might be thinking, why do you even need this when you're already using creams and medicines that are already in vogue? Well, according to the creator, these creams do nothing but repair the problem superficially. Kerovita Pro works from within the body to drive away fungal infections. Prepared using a powerful formula of vitamins and vegetative matter, Kerovita Pro discharges essential nutrients into the bloodstream to destroy toxic accumulation of the fungi. The product comes in varied bottle packages. The best value pack with 6 bottles and a 180-day supply comes for $49 per bottle. The popular 3-bottle pack comes with a 90-day supply at $59 per bottle. As per your needs, you can choose the pack. Don't make the mistake of overdosing as it may lead to complicated problems. After all, you cannot expect the changes overnight, right? Wait for at least a month or two, and let me emphasize one more thing. Keep patience. The creator has also shared certain basic tips to take care of your toenails and protect it from fungal infections. 1. Drying the feet and ensuring that it is clean. 2. Filing down the nails to keep them thin. 3. Wearing light and moisture-wicking socks. 4. Always putting on a pair of slippers and socks to prevent fungal infection. Are you wondering as to how Kerovita Pro works? As claimed by the creator Benjamin Jones, Kerovita Pro triggers the release of nutrients that destroys the toxic buildup and ensures the transmission of the purified blood to the fungus-affected regions. The supplement also prevents future chances of fungal infections by protecting the lungs. All of us know that the air we breathe in is full of pollutants and foreign particulate matter. This enters our lungs and affects the system. Thus, by shielding the lungs, any chances of infections are avoided. Kerovita Pro also claims to protect the antibodies from attacks of foreign elements. The function of the antibodies is to fight the viruses and fungi attacking our body. By neutralizing the foreign elements, the body cells get an upper hand at the removal of the toxins from the blood. Let's see what ingredients have been used to make Kerovita Pro. Benjamin Jones, the creator of the product, had revealed the use of the following ingredients in the supplement. Number 1 being cat's claw. Cat's claw is a thorny vine that grows largely in the rainforests of South and Central America. It has been named so because of its thorns that resemble the claws of a cat. It plays the role of a diuretic and enhances the immune system of the body. Here's a precautionary note. If you consume medicines that lead to thinning of the blood or suffer from high blood pressure and take medicines for the same, cat's claw may lead to profuse bleeding and increased hypertension. Pomegranate. The antifungal attributes of pomegranate lead to the elimination of dermatophyte fungi. Researches conducted by various organizations have also led to a similar conclusion that pomegranate is highly effective to combat M. gypsum and T. rubrum. Garlic. Garlic is highly useful to fight against fungus. It has also been proved to be way too effective to cure the disease of Candida by yeast. Curcumin. Being a bioactive substance present in turmeric, The antifungal properties of curcumin curb the fungal infection from spreading any further. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties lead to the eradication of fungus from the body. Quercetin. Quercetin is a kind of plant pigment. Apart from curing fungal infections, it maintains the concentration of sugar in the blood and regulates the level of blood pressure. Unlike cat's claw, quercetin does not have any side effects and is cost effective. Vitamin C and E along with red raspberry. This combo of 3 ingredients protects the lungs from any sort of fungal attack by filtering the air and not letting the toxic elements enter your system. Olives. The presence of phenolic compounds in olive gives it antibacterial and antifungal properties. It has also been found to be highly effective to fight candida as per a research study. Lycopene. Lycopene is a red plant pigment as well as a nutrient bearing antioxidant properties to eliminate the fungus from the body. Let's talk about the dosage. Consume 2 Caravita Pro pills per day for a continuous stretch of 6 months. Wondering why to take it for such a long period? Well, as it has been said before, this product will cure the toenail fungus infection from within. You need to give it a considerable amount of time to get the results reflected on your nails and hair. Once again, please note that overdosing may lead to an adverse effect on your health. Stick to the dosage instructions shared by the company. Do not take the supplement if you belong to any of these categories. Number 1. Suffering from pre-existing medical conditions such as diabetes, heart ailments, high blood pressure, etc. Number 2. Children. Number 3. Senior citizens. Number 4. Pregnant or nursing women. And number 5. Having low immune conditions. Let's throw some light on the benefits of Caravita Pro. Caravita Pro cures the fungal infections occurring in the body. It enhances the health of toenails and hair. It aids in better digestion. It increases the immunity power against the attack of fungus. It leads to the purification of the blood. It ensures better cardiac health. It brings down the blood sugar level. It destroys the toxic buildup in the body. You should note that no negative impacts or side effects have been reported yet by the users. The product claims to be free from allergens and hence does not lead to an allergic reaction in the body. So by now you must be wondering if I really do recommend this product. According to the official website of Caravita Pro, the product has been approved by FDA and is GMP certified by strictly adhering to the standards. The creator claims that since the capsules are non-GMO, the product is toxin-free and does not lead to habit formation. Do note that your use of the site and the purchase of the product is subject to our terms of service, privacy policy, and medical disclaimer. This implies that if you use it, the company will not be responsible for any risky situations. What I would suggest is initially go for the basic pack of 1 bottle or the best value of 6 bottles. See if you're getting any results after using it for either 1 month or 3 months. If you're not satisfied with the product, you can always ask for a full refund within 60 days from the day of your purchase. Even if you've used the entire bottle, you will still receive a refund. Anyway, you must consult your doctor before taking the Caravita Pro capsules, but just be careful of a few things first. There are many similar kinds of reviews going around on YouTube recounting the same tale. There have also been instances of scams and withdrawals of balance from the bank. They claim to have used the product themselves. Be cautious regarding these things, think tactically and don't get carried away. That's all for this video. Please like and share with others, and you can purchase the product from the links given in the description below. Here's a small request. If you happen to purchase the product from our link, it will be supportive and helpful for us to move forward with creating newer videos for you to enjoy. Thank you for watching till the very end. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.